Got an idea? Need to have it manufactured? But is your production using too many resources? We can organize an optimal assembly solution for you and continuously enhance your product. You provide us with the production files, and the rest is taken care of. After receiving your production files, we look through them and match you with the optimal assembly partner best suited to your project. Whether it's low-cost, high-volume assembly in Asia or a fast turnaround production of a prototype in Europe. After matching your project with an assembly partner, we begin verifying your components. We look at which are in stock before we begin to search for your missing components. Our expertise and expansive network allows us to source good quality components at a great price. All of this is happening with a quick turnaround to keep your project moving in the right direction. Simultaneously with the component sourcing, the PCBs are in production, after which it will go straight to our assembly partner. When your project has been assembled, it will pass through a quality inspection to ensure it lives up to the highest quality standards, after which it will get shipped directly to your doorstep. We handle all the communication and are on standby for any disputes that may arise, allowing you to focus on developing your solutions. Contact VAC Consulting today, and we will assist you with assembly of your project.